Welcome to our series of films showing how we can see physics at work in the atmosphere, brought to you by the Royal Meteorological Society, Imperial College London and the Institute of Physics Environmental Physics Group. In this film, we're going to look at how the temperature of the sky can tell us about the greenhouse effect. All objects absorb and emit electromagnetic radiation. The quantity of radiation they emit increases as the body gets hotter. The type of radiation emitted also changes with temperature. The electromagnetic radiation an object emits is spread over a range of different frequencies and wavelengths. The range shifts to shorter wavelengths as the body gets hotter, so the Sun emits electromagnetic radiation at much shorter wavelengths than the Earth does. By detecting the range of radiation coming from a body, an infrared thermometer or a camera can calculate the temperature of the body without actually touching it. In this demonstration, we're going to see how an infrared camera can help us understand the greenhouse effect.
When you point an infrared camera or thermometer at an object, it will tell you the temperature of the object. But if you're looking at a thermal image of blue sky, what is emitting the heat? It's not space. There's nothing much out there to be emitting the heat. The ozone in the stratosphere does absorb the sun's ultraviolet light and re-emits the energy as heat, but the ozone layer is sufficiently high up to not have a major impact on the temperature measured. If the sky is completely blue, how does the temperature vary from the horizon to vertically upwards? Usually, the sky is warmer near the horizon than straight up. You don't need an expensive infrared camera to observe this. A simple infrared thermometer will also work.
Greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, for example water vapour, carbon dioxide and methane, absorb infrared or heat radiation from the Earth's surface and re-emit some of it back towards the infrared camera. When the camera is pointing straight up, that's a yellow arrow, it's looking through a fairly thin bit of the Earth's atmosphere and detecting the heat returning to the Earth's surface from a relatively small amount of greenhouse gas. When it's pointing towards the horizon, the blue arrow, it's looking through much more atmosphere. Therefore, there's more greenhouse gas and more heat being radiated in the direction of the camera. I hope you found this experiment helpful in understanding atmospheric physics. There are more simple experiments and demonstrations on our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.